Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Foxmula, जो कि एक edtech company है, is hiring for sales lead role. Job role is a full time and job location is remote location, that is work from home. So industry is education, edtech. Job role is sales manager or sales lead. Now educational qualification is undergraduate or postgraduate. Any graduate, any specialization. 1+ year of experience is required for this job role. Annual CTC is 3 lakh to 5 lakh. Incentive percentage of team revenue generated. No cap. Now let us check the job description. We are looking for a dedicated sales lead to coordinate our sales team, ensure the team's sales quotas are met, and support the management. The sales lead will perform sales management and administrative tasks such as maintaining your team's sales performance, recruiting and training staff. To be successful as a sales lead, you should have excellent sales and leadership skills as well as strong customer service skills. You should also have a thorough knowledge and understanding of the company's products and services. Now let us check the sales lead responsibilities. So first is training new sales staff, assigning specific tasks to other sales staff and monitoring the team's sales performance. Second is solving customer complaints and answering customer questions. Third is writing reports for senior managers. Fourth is assisting with the selling of our company's products, services and assisting to maximize sales. Sales staff with constructive feedback and assisting staff to solve customers' problems. Maintaining positive customer relations, motivating the sales staff and creating an atmosphere of healthy competition among the staff. So these are all the responsibilities of the sales lead. Now let us check the requirements. Experience in sales is necessary, 1 year minimum. So minimum 1 year of experience in sales is required here. Strong sales ability, business acumen and commercial awareness, excellent communication, interpersonal and customer service skills, strong leadership skills, good time management, strategic planning and organizational skills. If you feel you are having all these skills and you are meeting all these requirements, you can apply for this job role by clicking on apply now button. Then there are some basic details you have to fill: first name, email, mobile number, phone number, social network, and then your experience certificate, educational qualification. And after that, I'm not a robot, and you have to submit your application by clicking on the submit application button. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो, वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.